If you want to register a domain name or start your own website without paying high fees, let me show you how PorkBun works and how you can save using a coupon. We're already on the official PorkBun website. PorkBun is an ICANN-accredited domain registrar that makes buying and managing domain names simple and affordable. This platform is known for its transparent pricing, easy-to-use interface, and friendly support. They offer domain registration, domain transfers, web hosting, email hosting, SSL certificates, and other web-related services all in one place. As you browse the site, you'll see options to search for and register new domain names. PorkBun carries a wide range of top-level domains, including .com, .xyz, .1, .net, and many more at competitive prices. Before you choose a domain or any paid service, it's always smart to check Techie Coupons. Now switching to the Techie Coupons website. This is Techie Coupons, a trusted deals platform where you can find verified and regularly updated coupon codes and discount details for web services, software, and online tools. On the Techie Coupons site, there's a dedicated PorkBun store page that lists the latest active PorkBun coupon codes, domain registration offers, hosting discounts, and any special sale deals. On this PorkBun store page, you'll see clear information about which services the coupons apply to, such as domain registration, hosting bundles, email hosting, and even multi-year deals. You'll also get step-by-step guidance on how to use the codes so you don't miss any savings before you proceed to checkout. This makes sure you get the best price possible before paying. Once you've checked the discounts and copied the coupon code if needed, you're ready to go back and register your domain at a lower cost. Now let's go back to the PorkBun website. Back on PorkBun, search for the domain name you want and add it to your cart. You'll see the registration price and any options for multiple year registrations. Choosing a domain for multiple years often locks in today's price and can protect you from future price increases. Once you've reviewed your domain and any extras you want, like web hosting or email, proceed to the checkout page. Here's where the savings really happen. On the checkout page, look for the promo code or coupon code field. Enter the PorkBun coupon code you found on Techie Coupons and apply it. The page will instantly update the total price if the code is valid. Make sure you double-check the final amount so you're comfortable with the savings. After confirming the discounted total, enter your payment details and complete your purchase. Once done, your domain will be registered and ready to use, and you'll own it at a lower price thanks to the Techie Coupons discount. That's it. You now have a domain name and any additional services you chose while saving money. Before registering domains or buying web tools, always visit Techie Coupons to find verified coupon codes, updated discount details, and the best available deals. The link to the PorkBun coupon page on Techie Coupons is available in the description.